Hello everyone. Today, we will be exploring how to create a bundle product in Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced. Here are the steps to create a bundle product in RCA. First, create parent and child product records. Second, configure the bundle structure. And finally, sync Salesforce pricing. Here are the bundle product details. The parent product is a laptop bundle priced at $1,000, which includes two child products, a keyboard $50 and a mouse $25. I am also going to add some selection and quantity restrictions during the bundle configuration. Let's jump into the system. I have already created these three individual products. Here is the product record for mouse. Here is another product record created for keyboard. And finally, here is the product record for laptop bundle. As you can see here, I have selected the product type as bundle. RCA needs the product type to be set as bundle to define a bundle product. Now, let me show you how to set up a bundle structure. Go to the Structure tab on the bundle product. Click Add Component icon under the bundle name. Select Product Group here. Enter the details for group name, group code, and sequence. Here, I am going to set the min components to 1 and max components to 2, and save it. Component group helps bind the child product records with the bundle product. Now, let's associate the child products to this component group. Go back to the Structure tab. This time, click Add Component icon under the group name. Select Product. Select the necessary child products. And click Next. And choose the quote visibility. It controls whether the child product appears on the quote line editor or not. Set the sequence. This controls how the child products are sequenced in the bundle configuration. Set default quantity to 1. For product relationship type, select Bundle to Bundle component. It specifies that this child product is a predefined component under the bundle product. Group name will be auto-populated as accessories. I will keep the Require this component flag as unchecked. Let me keep the Include component by default flag checked for keyboard only. This will make sure to automatically include keyboard whenever the laptop bundle is selected. I am selecting the Allow quantity changes for keyboard only. Let me also add minimum and maximum quantity restrictions for keyboard. This essentially says that the keyboard's quantity cannot be entered as more than 2. And save. Under the Structure tab, you can click on the name of the component group to view all the associated child products. By clicking an individual product name, you can edit the associated relationship. I have left the Include component by default flag enabled on the keyboard to ensure it's selected automatically. RCA defaults the Price Includes components flag to True, meaning child product prices are included in the parent price. I've unchecked this already. The bundle structure is now ready. You can preview the bundle structure using the Preview button on the bundle product without adding it to a quote. This RCA feature helps administrators visualize the structure and make updates directly, eliminating the need to verify it on the code. Here, you see the product component group as accessories, along with the child products, keyboard, and mouse. Now, let's execute the Salesforce pricing sync to make the bundle product available for selection on the code. Go to Salesforce Setup and search for Salesforce Pricing Setup. Click the Sync button here under the Sync Pricing Data section. This would make the product available to be selected on the code. It usually takes a couple of minutes for the sync to be completed. Now, let's go to the quote and add this bundle product. Click the Browse Catalogs button. Select the desired catalog. Select the desired category. Here, you can see the bundle product that we have just created. Click the configure icon. It opens up the product configurator screen for the laptop bundle, which looks similar to what we have seen on the bundle product preview page. Since I've checked the include component by default flag on the keyboard product, it appears as selected by default. As required, this component flag is not checked. I can deselect the keyboard. Let me select the mouse product. While configuring the keyboard product, we have set the min quantity to 1 and max quantity to 2. Let's try changing its quantity to 5. As this violates the configuration regarding the max quantity, you can see the grid is highlighted in a different color. Also, you can see the error message here. Let me go back to the keyboard product and change its quantity to 2, which falls within the min quantity and max quantity ranges that we defined for the keyboard product. So it should not throw any error this time. Now, you can see that the error message is gone and the grid is highlighted back in the blue color. If you click the Update Prices button, RCA calculates the pricing for the whole bundle configuration. Let me click the Save and Exit button to close the product configurator screen. You can now see that the bundle product has been added on the code. This is how you can create a bundle product in Salesforce RCA. I hope this was useful. Share your questions in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.